On-device AI is no longer a concept, it's a revolution unfolding in real time. Google just launched something Big AI Edge Gallery, a free open-source app that runs advanced AI models locally on your phone. No cloud, no lag, maximum privacy. This isn't just an engineering breakthrough, it's a paradigm shift for privacy-preserving AI, real-time inference, and edge computing. Benchmarks? Gemma 3 reportedly outperforms Meta's Llama 3 405 billion. Mind-blowing, right? With AI models running locally, your data stays on your device. This slashes the risk of data interception and cloud breaches. But as with any new tech, new cyber threats emerge. Data privacy. Local processing reduces exposure, but device theft or malware can still compromise sensitive info. Model tampering edge devices are more vulnerable to physical and software tampering. Attackers could alter models or extract data. Expanded attack surface. Every device running AI becomes a potential target. Robust security is essential. Stay ahead of threats as the AI landscape shifts. Keep devices updated. Regularly install security patches and app updates. Use strong authentication. Enable biometrics or passwordless login where possible. Encrypt sensitive data. Ensure your device uses encryption for data at rest and in transit. Be cautious with downloads. Only install AI models and apps from trusted sources. Monitor app permissions. Review and limit what data your AI apps can access. Beware of physical access. Secure your device physically to prevent tampering. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest AI security news and best practices. The future of AI is personal, private, and powerful, even in areas with low connectivity or strict privacy needs. Let's shape the future of AI together. How will on-device AI transform your work and daily life? Will this accelerate decentralized, privacy-first AI adoption?